I'm Levi. Adventure is what drives me, and I'm on a never-ending hunt to find the most unique and tiny one-night stays across America. I've been to hundreds of tiny houses, and the truth is, I'm just scratching the surface. There's more doors to open, so grab your bags. This is Tiny BNB. Let's go explore. Today we're going to be touring this cabin right here behind me at Dunlap Ridge, the Pine. Amazing interior layout. I was really surprised and happy to be here. And there's also really good interior design. So if you want to be inspired or if you want to come stay here for yourselves, let's go take a tour. Stepping out of the car, we are here at the Pine at Dunlap Ridge. This is cabin number 2 out of the 3 cabins here. They are very similar, and we enter into the back space of the cabin. Nice paved walkway, and we have your front door right here. On the other side is the front of the cabin. Hot tub sauna, really cool. We'll be checking that out when we get there. Let's walk through this door and check out the interior. Walking inside, we have an open concept, and it's a lot larger than what it might have looked like from the exterior, especially with an open bedroom concept. Normally that means they're tight on space, but there's a lot of space in here, and this wall of windows is beautiful. Floor to ceiling windows lets in a lot of natural light and cool lighting effects that comes through the forest below. The living room and kitchen is what we enter into first. This living room right here is gorgeous. The interior design is just top notch here. This living room has the couch on the right side, coffee table here in the middle, and this all faces your fireplace and TV. There's a small mantle underneath the TV, and the shiplap behind is a cool feature. It breaks up the wall, and I always love vertical shiplap. Cool chair, I wanted to point this out. I love the footstool they leave right here. And here's the couch, it is mega comfortable. And now we can enter into your kitchen space on the right side. It has a large kitchen countertop spot right here. I love the black textured look of the countertop. 3 beautiful chairs on this side, and they even left me a really nice gift basket. You always love to see these here. It's always unexpected. Back here is the most beautiful tiling I have seen for a kitchen. This blue and white tiling backsplash. I absolutely love this with the floating shelves, the oven here in the middle, the range hood above, and the lights that light it all up. Can't ask for a better tiling backsplash. And here we have a full-size fridge. The cabinets below are really high quality. I love the pull handles over here. The sink, and then the microwave is hidden in the cubby way over there in that corner. Now we'll swing around, and behind the living room we have your bedroom space. King size bed. I love how they were able to fit a king size bed in here. Plenty of room to walk around, and at the foot of the bed they leave a little tray with robes and a s'mores making kit for that romantic getaway stay. I love when hosts leave that kind of stuff. Nightstands on both sides with the built-in lights on the wall. Big window above and the wallpaper above as well. Overall, you just can't ask for a better bedroom spot. It's really comfy. And of course, you can close the windows with the curtains all around. And right next to this is an attached bathroom. Walking inside the bathroom, it is larger than what you would expect it to be. It has your vanity here on the right side. Absolutely gorgeous. Goes across this entire wall. Really nice countertop with the sink, the gold fixtures, the tile backsplash above, the mirror, and the 2 lights. It just all fits in really well. Below we have storage, and while we're looking down here at the ground, check out the floor tiling. It is this gray slate, and I've never seen a design like this with the circles and the diamonds. I always love seeing new designs in these Airbnbs since I've been to so many, so really cool to see that. I'm digging the colors on the wall as well. And then we have your toilet over here on the right side. And then in front of your toilet, we have your tiled shower. We'll open up the shower door, and inside it is just a massively large shower, tiling all around, your shower head above there, and we have your handle nozzle over there as well. On this back side, you can see there's the window above for some natural lighting, but it's way above any of your body, so you won't have to worry about covering that window up. Overall, the shower is oversized and just comfortable feeling. Taking a turn back around over here, behind the door on the right is just a utility closet, and we can get another view of your vanity over here on this side and just how really nice this bathroom is. We'll walk out of this now, and that is everything inside of the cabin. We'll walk out the sliding door. There is a net here, so in the summer months you can just leave it open with the net, and we'll go out into the deck space. Stepping out onto the deck, you can see it spans across the entire front side of the cabin. The board and batten black exterior mixed with the cedar cladding above and the cedar posts in the front. It is a great look out here, the metal railing, and we can look out into the space, the trees, the sunlight shining through. We have string lights down below, and you can see there's your fire pit down there. We'll get there in a second. Going back onto the deck, we have a small seating area out here if you want to sit out here and enjoy some coffee right outside of your bedroom space. But we'll continue walking down the deck, and this is where the fun really begins, because on this lower deck space we have a hot tub and a sauna. Saunas are becoming more and more popular. It's always a nice feature to have at an Airbnb. I think people like to experience them, try them out, and use them, especially in the winter because there will be snow here. So having a sauna is going to be really, really nice. And then right across from this we have your hot tub. Can't go wrong with the hot tub with the string lights above, surrounded by the trees, of course. Always got to have that. So those two features are really nice to have. And then right over here, down the steps is your fire pit area, but we'll take a look at the front of the cabin one more time. This is the best spot to view it from. Check it out. It is mixed with modern, mixed with cabin. Overall, really great look. I see this look more and more, and I think just people love it. So can't go wrong with the look there. And we'll walk down the steps now and into your fire pit area. String lights down here. You can see the sun is just shining through the trees really well right now. Fire pit, there's a grill over here, and if we swing back around underneath the deck space, we have a swinging hammock down there to relax at. And we're down here below the cabin taking a look up. It is huge, majestic looking, and the front side, you just can't go wrong. Now let's head over to another tiny house to explore. We're going to be touring this Japandi inspired 560 square foot Airbnb today. I'll be explaining what that means. This place is very luxurious. Let's check it out. We're in Maine once again, beautiful fall weather. What a better place to be at than the cabin at Bear River. This is a 560 square foot cabin, perfect floor plan for 2 to 4 guests, and the interior design is called Japandi inspired. I had to look up what that meant. It's a mixture of Japanese minimalism with Scandinavian warmth. And this place is very luxurious. I love the clash of both of them. I'll be showing you inside here in a minute. But this is an Airbnb. So whenever you pull up onto the property, we're sitting on 3+ acres of private forested property. Plenty of parking here, EV charging, which is nice. We can park here right in front of the cabin if you need to, but this backside is where you walk into the green door, the black minimalist look. It's a small cabin, 560 square foot of living space. Let's walk inside this front door and check out the interior. Walking inside, the warmth of this cabin immediately hits you. That's because there's radiant floor heating in here, which goes across the entire cabin and keeps you nice and cozy in the winter. But seriously, the interior design is very, very cozy in here. It's bright. I was filming in the evening, and the sun sets right on the north side of this cabin through these windows, floor-to-ceiling windows in here. You can see all of the lighting just coming through, lighting up the space. This first area we are in is the living room and kitchen, and it is very luxurious. From the cabinetry, the tile, even the living room furniture, I love it all. Right immediately when we walk in, there's a small bench here to sit at, take your shoes off. You can hang up your clothes on this rack up here as well. A small mirror, which is nice to look at yourself whenever you're walking out the door. And then we enter into this kitchen space. Beautiful cabinetry. I love the wood cabinets with the fixtures they have in here. Full-size refrigerator here on this left side. The black countertop is stunning. I love all the hash marks and the texture they have through the countertop. I want this in my own tiny house that I'm building right now, so I'm gonna have to look into this and figure out what this exactly is. But continuing on the countertops next to the refrigerator, we have your coffee supplies. They have high-end appliances like a Mocha Master coffee maker, a KitchenAid mixer. They have a fondue machine in here as well. All of the cookware that you would possibly need for the oven right here in the middle. Nice range hood above as well. All of the walls in the kitchen is this green tile. It's not just, the foot backsplash, it's the whole wall. That makes the space more luxurious, gives it more texture and detail to look at. And of course they leave some s'more supplies on this countertop as well. So that's everything with the kitchen. The sink was here on this right side, and you walk into the living room space from here. This right side has a nice leather sofa that can be converted into a queen size bed. So you can sleep 4 guests in here if you need to, but whenever the couch is in couch mode, it is very, very comfortable. Coffee table with some games here in the middle, and then we have the frame TV, 65-inch TV mounted on this wall. I love frame TVs, you guys know that. It's always nice to have that artwork whenever you're not using it. And of course, everybody likes to watch a movie. Right under that, though, is a Scandinavian fireplace. Look how minimal this is. There's no chimney stack. It goes right out the back of the fireplace. Doesn't take up that much space at all. And this warms up the place so much. It's cozy and it's inviting. There's 2 white chairs next to this for additional seating. Overall, this living room is comfortable. Down this hallway in the middle, we have a locked door utility closet. There's a washer and dryer in here as well. Very handy to have. And the first door on your left side is your bedroom space. This bedroom is very, very large. King size bed in here, and it faces these floor to ceiling windows as well. So you can wake up, have your coffee in here, and watch the sunrise just come up through these trees. Also a cool feature about this window, it can slide open. So I left it open all night. It cooled my room down really nicely. I love sleeping in a cold room. Normally windows this big don't open, so you just see them as picture windows. But this one slid open. Very cool feature to have in the bedroom especially. There's also a full closet in here, and I love the back wall that the bedding is against, the wood detail, the 2 sconce lights, warms up the space. Overall, a great bedroom, plenty of room, king size bed. We'll walk out of here now, and the last door down the hallway is your bathroom space. Fully tiled, the bathtub and shower is also tiled. I love the detail of tiling they went in here with the 3-tone colorway. Also, a bidet toilet. That is a heated seat, and heated water comes out of it. I did test it. Bidet toilets are pretty nice. Across from this, we do have a towel warmer as well, and then of course your vanity, which is very aesthetic with this place. So overall, this bathroom is made for luxury, a spa-like feel, and now we have your outdoor space to explore, which right now it is a perfect time to enjoy it. We'll walk out the sliding door from the living room, and we have a 250 square foot deck space right in front of our cabin. We are up here overlooking the trees. We are probably 50 feet in the air, 60 feet in the air from the valley below us. Out here on the deck space though, we have a small dining table to enjoy. There's a couple seats over here on the right side to come out here, sip some coffee, enjoy the views. It's the perfect spot. And then on the other side, we have a hot tub. Open up the cover, hop down into the 6-person hot tub. It's tucked in this little cove. Perfect spot. There's plenty of options here for you to enjoy a luxurious spa-like stay. That's everything here on the deck. If we walk onto the other side off the deck, there's another outdoor area. We have a fire pit out here to enjoy. It's all rocked and landscaped, very comfortable. And then there's 2 swinging chairs here to sit at and relax and enjoy as well. So beautiful outdoor space, absolutely stunning. So this property is an A+. I love this cabin. I'll see you guys in the next ones.